Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Phantom Wallet. Now, for any reason, if you are not able to see Bitcoin in this list or on the home page, you need to tap on the Manage Token list. And from here, you need to make sure that the Bitcoin is enabled. So here, if it is disabled in your account, so you need to tap on this toggle in order to enable it. After that, you need to tap on Bitcoin, and then on this page, it will show you the current chart of BTC and its current price and today's fluctuation. So here you will have to tap on the buy option, and then it will redirect you on this page where you will have to enter the amount of USD that you want to spend in order to purchase Bitcoin. You can even use these presets like $100, $500, $1,000 in order to select them. After that, it will show you the credit and debit card option. So if you want to change the payment method, you need to tap over here, and in the pay with section, you need to tap on it, and it will show you all of the methods that you can basically use. For this video, I'm going to keep it on credit and debit card. The second thing that you see over here is the provider. So it will show you MoonPay and Topper. So these two may differ, or the provider may differ from country to country. So you can select any of these based on which one is giving you the lowest price. So after selecting it, you just have to simply tap on the buy option here, and then it will redirect you on the provider's website. Now, once you are on the provider's website, you will have to first create your account over here. So you need to simply provide your phone number and your email address. And here you will have to again enter the amount of USD that you want to spend in order to purchase Bitcoin. And it will show you the equivalent amount of BTC that you will get, the exchange rate, and the time of the completion of this transaction. So here it will also show you the total fees. So you need to simply press continue. And as I said earlier, you will have to first create your account on the provider's website. So you will have to just do that, and after selecting the payment method, you will have to conclude your payment. Now, once your payment is completed, you will be able to get your Bitcoin in your Phantom wallet in no time. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe.